Unlock the secret weapon to capturing more seller leads with Kvcore precise property valuations that speak directly to your local market. First, log into your Kvcore platform and navigate to the Marketing tab on the left-hand side of your screen. Think of this as your command center for generating and nurturing those crucial seller leads. Next, within the Marketing section, locate and click on Lead Generation. This is where the magic happens in attracting potential sellers actively curious about their home's worth. Now, pinpoint the Smart Home Seller feature. This powerful tool is the gateway to offering those enticing, instant property valuations that grab attention. This is where you can customize the settings for better accuracy, to better reflect hyperlocal property trends. Search for the customized listing valuation settings to make adjustments. Now fine-tune the valuation formulas, tweak the algorithms based on recent sales data and property characteristics in your specific area. Shorten the radius for comparable properties, tightening your search to focus on truly relevant sales within your immediate neighborhood for laser-focused valuation accuracy. Turn on including Rehabbed properties. This will help capture more accurate market values for certain neighborhoods or even discount properties that have yet to be improved. Remember to hit that Save button to implement your customized valuation settings. This will ensure your lead generation efforts are not only effective but also trustworthy.